Solutions to the world's environmental crisis in the form of clean, non-polluting new energy technologies that may assure a future for mankind are coming to planet Earth in a groundbreaking new video. Free energy, the race to 0 point. We live in a vast sea of energy. Everything, every atom, every subatomic particle is in constant motion, spinning eternally. Even in the cold, dark, absolute vacuum of empty space, there exists what new physics is calling the quantum vacuum flux. It is the ether of the ancients, the life force energy of metaphysics, are the random fluctuations of this vast field of potential in which space and time are embedded. Now, theoretically and mathematically proven, the question no longer is, does this 0 point energy exist? But rather, can we tap this inexhaustible resource of free and unlimited energy and manifest new technologies which are both inexpensive and environmentally safe? One thing is certain, if we continue on the course of rapidly burning fossil fuels and relying on nuclear fission, the future of our civilization is in grave jeopardy. We're at a critical juncture where the ravages of industrial pollution and radioactive waste have exceeded the carrying capacity of Mother Earth. Our finite reserves of oil and gas will be completely exhausted by the year 2025 at the present rate of consumption. Large corporate and governmental self-interest ignore this pending crisis and resist change to the status quo. The question must be asked, is this the kind of world we want to pass down to future generations? Emerging on the frontiers of science, a pioneering breed of theoretical physicists and inspired inventors are challenging the way we think about harnessing the unseen forces of nature. Despite ridicule, lack of funding, and outright suppression, they are confronting an outmoded classical worldview and ushering in a monumental scientific revolution. In this program, you will witness the groundbreaking work of tireless inventors and visionary scientists who may hold the keys to true energy independence for every person on Earth, from Nikola Tesla to the reality of cold fusion and beyond. Free energy, the race to 0 point. $34.95, $39.95 in the PAL format, plus shipping and handling. Please add shipping and handling with all orders. For orders outside the continental United States, please email Lightworks for a quote on shipping and handling cost. Our email address is lightworks@lightworksav.com. That's lightworksav.com, as in Lightworks Audio and Video.
morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I really want to thank you for being here and for the love that you have shown me over the years and the support that you've given me. I just want to let you know I really do care and I appreciate this. I know some of you are new and probably have never heard of anything that we've done, but you will. It's what we're about to present is something brand new. We presented it in Seattle once before, and we talked about it in a couple Earth Sky workshops, but really this is the first time that we are going to be giving this out to the world. And it's a great message, I think. I think you will see this as it unfolds. In La'ish. In La'ish means you are another me. And this is how the Mayans greeted each other, and they literally saw each person that came up to them as not just an extension, which is a kind of a one way of looking at it. It's more than an extension. They actually saw the spirit in the other person as them. And my life is based on that. Whenever I look into the eyes of anyone else, I see the Christ within them. And so everything I'm going to be saying today will be coming from that place. Because this is the great secret. This is how the Mayans, by the way, they all disappeared on a single day. Couple million Mayans just disappeared. No bones, no bodies, no nothing, just gone. And it's because they understood the unity of life. And we are about to do the same thing on a worldwide level. We're about to transmute into a whole new way of existing, and I'm really honored to be here on this planet at this time, because this is a big one. This is a really big one. I'm going to be very precise, you might say, today, because we're being filmed, and also because the time constraints are limited in the amount of time. When we first did this, or we planned this a year ago, we had a certain idea, and since then everything's been thrown out. We had to start all over again, and even since the last time we gave the presentation, it's changed. And so it's okay. This is the way it is. So to begin, I'm going to have a sip of water. Water's going to be a big key in all this eventually. So I'm going to just sort of step into this. There's going to be 5 phenomena that we're going to talk about. 5 entirely, seemingly different things that are going on. There's a couple more that I'll mention at the end of this. I'm not bringing them up because they can't be proven at all right now, whether they're real or not. Eventually, I believe they will come out as being real, but we'll just sort of leave them toward the end. But these 5, once you see them, they do something. They begin to you begin to see in a whole new way. The first 2 of these you already know. You know them inside and out, you think. And but these 2 have been hidden. The worlds have made sure that you don't know what they are. The third one is one that is just emerging on the world right now, and there's great controversy over it. But we'll present it, and I believe it's true, and that's why I'm presenting it. The fourth one, hardly anyone knows about at all. A few people, almost no one. A few Flower of Life people probably. But most of the world is not aware of it, but they're about to be. And the fifth one has to do with the children, which will be given this afternoon.